Hey there. So tonight I'm making a kheer. Have you heard of a kheer? Not a kheer royale. You order a kheer in a bar and they'll give you a kheer royale. And I'm convinced it's to make money. If you go to Paris and you order a kheer, everybody knows what it is. What it is a crisp white wine. In France, it's Aligoté, the lesser grape of Burgundy, and a drizzle of cassis. Cassis is that black currant liqueur that just adds zip and a little bit of berry goodness and sweetness. And it is the perfect aperitif, full stop. But in Paris, it's an institution. You go at about 4 or 5 o'clock, and everybody at the cafe, about 30% of them, are sitting there with a little Parisian goblet with something pink. That is a kheer, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to teach you how to make a kheer. Aligoté. Any aligoté will do. They shouldn't be terribly expensive, so because the cassis is going to hide any complexity and fix any imbalance. So don't worry about day old aligoté. Don't spend a lot on aligoté. You shouldn't anyway, because it's not really a fancy grape. And you open a bottle of aligoté. So this one here is a pretty fancy aligoté. It's a $20 aligoté. Anyway, alas, we will use it. That's what we've got. Nice glass of aligoté. Then you take cassis, black currant liqueur. This one's my favorite. A little bottle, it doesn't last forever, so it should not, be kept around long. So this is a big bottle. It's bigger than you need. Get a little bottle and refresh all the time. I just have this because it's a sample. People send me booze all the time. Anyway, which is why we're using this aligoté. Got it? Got it? And watch. Watch the alchemy. Ready? Magic. Oh, that brings me to Paris in a heartbeat. Oh my God. I'm so happy right now. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. You must make one of these. Cheers. You now have the recipe, so you have no excuses. Cheers. And if anyone ever, you order a kheer in a restaurant and they bring you bubbly wine that's pink, know they've brought you kheer royale, which means it's champagne and cassis, and they'll charge you through the nose. Send it back. You want kheer, so it should be a still white wine. Sometimes, because this isn't Paris, not everyone has cheap aligoté around. Sometimes they just use a crisp white wine. I've seen it done with Chablis. I've seen it done with unoaked Chardonnay. Both of those work. They're fine. They've got the right structure. But if you can make it at home with aligoté, that's the best. Anyway, cheers.